In this video, we're going to quickly cover a fabulous meal planning system for divas. This meal planning system comes with a binder, a wonderful cover, and of course, the spine label is also labeled for you. And inside of it includes a dry erase marker that has a magnet so that it connects to the binder. It also has an eraser on the end. You might be wondering, why do I need a dry erase marker? It's because we have lamination now. The meal planner has been laminated for you, so you can say that you want your smoothie bowl. You can say that you want your for meal 2 we want our chicken detox. And what you can do there, if you go, oh, I spelled that wrong, you can just erase it. Isn't that awesome? So the meal planner has been laminated for you as well as the grocery list. So when you are done shopping, you can erase it and do it again each week. So you're not wasting paper. Girl, we are going green. Next, inside of this fabulous binder are tabs to make it easy for you. So I can come in here and look at all of my favorite breakfast recipes, use those recipes to create my plan for the week. Like, what am I going to eat based on my favorite meals? So I can write those down. And then when I identify what I'm going to eat based on my favorite meals, what do I need to get to from the grocery store to support that? So within the planner, again, you have not just breakfast, but we have a lunch tab as well. We have dinner, and of course there's always healthy snacks and a notes section. In the notes section, we include some kitchen measurement and conversion charts. So that is what is included in your fabulous meal planning system for divas.